Hey friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review the new gaming monitor from LG. The model name is UltraGear and the model number is 32GK650F. I purchased this gaming monitor in around 23,000 Indian rupees. While I unbox the device, let me tell you the high level details of this monitor. This monitor is specially made for gaming and it has got AMD Radeon FreeSync. This doesn't come with the G-Sync, it has a FreeSync. Now the second thing is this is a VA panel. It's not an IPS, and it has also got the 1 millisecond of response time and it has a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Alright, so these are the things which comes out of the box, and first thing is the monitor, then we have this beautiful stand, then we have the power adapter, and this is not the HDMI cable, this is a DisplayPort cable. Now then this is the power cable, and the back, this is to hold your headphones or the cables. Now let me quickly show you how you can install or assemble this monitor for the first time. This is very easy. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes to quickly assemble this monitor. You just have to clip in this particular red stand and then just tie this screw and then you are done. So here you can see that on the left you have to release, on the right side you have to rotate it like clockwise and it will lock. Then what you have to do is you have to twist the monitor upside down. So let me show you, this monitor is little huge, so it will be good if you have two people to hold this monitor to turn it upside down. Now once the monitor is in this situation, now you have to just clip this stand on the back of the monitor and it will fit properly. So you don't have to screw anything in the back of the monitor and it will be perfectly aligned. Now you can see that this stand is very flexible. It can go left, right, up and down without affecting the stability of the monitor. As you can see, that monitor is quite huge. It's 32-inch, but still this stand holds it very properly and firm on its position. Now the one of the best feature of this monitor is that it rotates to 180 degree and becomes a vertical monitor. So how to do that? You have to just lift this monitor a little bit up and then you have to rotate it and you have to just pull it towards you so that you can rotate it properly and then again push it back. So now you can see that this monitor has been converted into a vertical monitor. It's very easy and very comfortable to use. Now let me quickly show you the back panel of this monitor. Here you can see that we have three input ports, one is display and two HDMI. Then we have the 3.5 mm audio output jack and then we have the power socket. Alright, so now you can see that I've connected my PC with this monitor and the first look is quite impressive. The color reproduction and the brightness looks good to me. Now let me show you how does it look from different angles. So let me take the camera on the right hand side. So here you can see that color is still good, the brightness is good, and even from the top you can see that the color and brightness is quite good. On the right hand side, let me take the camera to the right hand side, and from here let me see, here you can see that there is no fading and no blurring of the color. It looks as good as it looks from front. Now let me quickly show you how you can adjust the picture settings. So there is a button below the LG logo. You have to just select that and then go into the settings mode, and here you can see that we have different options like game mode, game adjust, picture adjust, input, general. So we have different options given here where you can change the picture quality or you can change the refresh rate or sync. You can change everything from these settings, and this is quite easy to navigate. There is no confusion in any of the menu. Also let me show you quickly what display settings you get on Windows. So here you can see the display resolution. It comes by default 2560 into 1440. This is Quad HD, so that means it is double the full HD resolution. Now if you go to the display adapter settings, you can see that monitor refresh rate also you have to adjust. By default it will be around 60, so you can change it to 144 Hz and then you can see the difference. So I have to set this at 144 and then select OK. Now here you can see that how is the video quality of this monitor. So I have played one of the 4K video from YouTube, so you can see that the color contrast and the clarity of this monitor looks impressive. And what I'll do, I'll try to play few more videos and you can judge yourself how in different videos how is this monitor performing. And I would be playing all these videos at 4K only so that you will get the true output from this monitor. And if you want to see the video quality in the gaming mode, you can skip this video by 1 minute and then you can see the game performance on this video. Alright, so finally here we are with the gaming performance of this monitor. So first game which I'll be playing is Assassin's Creed Origin, and here you can see that I am playing in the native mode, that is like the double HD. Let me show you. In options you can see that we have the resolution 2560 into 1440, and yeah, refresh rate is 120 Hertz. So I've kept it 120 Hertz. So let's see how is the performance. So I'll continue the game and I'll quickly skip it to the main game. So here you can see that the details is looking very crystal clear, and each and every part of this game is looking vibrant. And the one thing I will tell you, that the camera which I'm recording is not as fast as this monitor, so there is a blur in the recording, but actually in the game there is no blur and the smoothness is fantastic. There is no drop in the frame, there is no blurring, and everything looks crystal clear. And color, contrast, and even the brightness is very good. And one thing you need to note is like when you're playing in 1080p, that is full HD, the graphics utilization will be less. But as soon as you go into the 2K, like double the HD, the utilization of your graphical processor unit, GPU or CPU, everything will increase in a double manner. Like it will be consuming double the power. So if you have the lower specs, then definitely the games will hang, or it will blur, or it will drop the frames, the frame rates will go down. But if you are having a good graphics card, good processor, good RAM, then definitely there will be no issues. And even in 2K resolution, the games will look smooth and it will look crystal clear. Alright, so now let me take you to NFS Heat, and this game is a fast-paced game, so you can see that how is the refresh rate and how is the performance, or how is the response time of this monitor, which is displaying at a 2K resolution. So this game is loading now and it will start in few seconds. So here you can see that game is loaded now, and this is the default graphics, like which is at high graphics level, and the resolution is 2K. And here you can see that the game looks great and there is no blurring, there is no like fading. So let me tell you, like when you play at full HD 1080p, this monitor doesn't look that great. It looks like some old monitor. It has some pixelation also. So I'll suggest you, if you have a graphics card and if you have a good processor and memory which can run these games at 2K resolution, not full HD, 2K resolution, then only you buy this monitor for playing game. Otherwise you will not be satisfied by playing the game on this monitor. And also to note that, like if you want to use this monitor for your office purpose, please make sure that your laptop or PC supports 2K resolution. I've seen in some of the laptop it doesn't support 2K resolution, it just supports 1080p, and at that resolution this PC, or sorry, this monitor does not look good. Alright friends, so this was my complete review for UltraGear gaming monitor from LG. I hope you liked it. If you like, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any other question regarding this monitor, please write in the comments below. I'll be responding to those comments soon. Also, I would request all my subscribers and viewers to stay home as much as possible, because during this coronavirus crisis we all have to be safe and we all have to fight together. With this, I'll take a sign off. Have a nice day. Bye bye.